امریکی صدر نے ایک بار پھر ایران کی عسکری صلاحیتیں ختم کرنے کا دعویٰ کر دیا۔ ایران کے تمام 32 جہاز سمندر کی تہہ میں ہیں۔ ایران کی دونوں درجے کی قیادت بھی جا چکی۔ ایرانی رہنماؤں نے ہمارے بہت سارے لوگ مروائے۔ ٹرمپ نے گول میز کانفرنس میں گفتگو کرتے ہوئے کہا کہ لوگ امریکی فوج سے بہت متاثر ہو رہے ہیں۔ پہلے کے مقابلے میں امریکہ کی عزت بڑھ گئی۔
Their army is gone. They're just about, look, their navy is gone. Their communications are gone. Their leaders are gone. 2 sets of their leaders are gone. They're down to their 3rd set. Their air force is wiped out entirely. Think of it. They have 32 ships. All 32 are at the bottom of the ocean. The situation with a very bad and very sick group of leaders who were killing a lot of people. A lot of our people were being killed many, many people. And we had a choice. We could take it and go on like that for years or do something about it. And we did something about it. And people are very impressed with our military and they admire our military. I think we're, right now, we're a country that's more respected than we've ever been respected before.